Pin to lesson 12 Tuan Sip Song Dining Hall Jong Som Teacher Kuson Ladwa Damasara please come and sit here at this table So Damasara Kendo Masile Manang Ti Pen Dinaka Damasara Keme Dopa Thank you sir Nyesom Kaso Ku Kuson Keme Ladwa Eka Wensan please go and sit at the table number 2 There are 4 other novices at the table So eka wensa kendo kwase kwanang mai phun song kha There are 4 other novices at the table di mai phun song nan di mi yu so sang shi ba ne kha o Eka wensa khame tawa thank you sir nyi som ka sa khu song khame ladwa aindaga you are sick at this table number 3 every day you have 2 other novices with you at this table So inaga so delay nang mai phun sam kwan khanaရောက်တော့ဒီမိုင်ပန်ဆမ်နန်စဟောဒေမီယူစောဆောင်ဆောင်ပါစုံစောခါအောအင်ဒကခမဲတော့ဘ Thank you sir I'm well ညစမ်ကစခုခါဒီကွာနန်ဒီပွန်ခါအောခုစံခမဲလာတော့ We sit down properly around the table how ka delay nang wang phung kem kep le le khါအော Then twice in a we practice metta how ka de lot metta khါအောAfter that, once in you can choose your favorite food. Sao khẩu, lực lại ăn sao khẩu lấy giấy, ahan, sao khẩu lấy giấy, pak, đăng kín, sao khẩu lực lại giao khá. We have rice, vegetable, fish, chicken, soup, and cake. How can they meet you? Khẩu, nếu có phải năng chiếu, bá, nước cải, nắp pak, lệ, đăng khám muốn này khá. We even have some fruits. ရောက်တော့ဟောက်ခတန်တေမီထံမကမိုင်မတော့ကံပေါင်ခါအော Place it in silent ခန်တော့စောက်ခေါကျင်တက်တရင်ရင်ခါ